Ooh, look at that. I pulled me a shiny. That's a shiny. Is that a number card? Oh, there's another one in the back. Whoa, another shiny. Welcome everybody on to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be opening some random packs. It's been a long time since I opened anything. It's gonna be all random, maybe hockeys, drafts, draft again, baseball, basketball. So it's gonna be like pretty much all sports. I'm gonna save these two here last because basketball season is right now, and I think baseball is right now too. So it's gonna be autofocus. Let me try to. There it goes. It might get really, there it goes. Trying to make it all nice and neat for you guys. The scissors, but you know, it's gonna take too long. So I'm gonna open it up. I don't know any other good players in these hockey, so I'm just gonna. These are so slicky. Yeah, I guess we're mostly looking for the rookies. Maybe, you know, after this video, I'm gonna check the prices on these cards. There's a rookie card. Let's move this pack out of the way. So we want to put the rookies on the other side. There's a gray card. I want to put that here. I guess there's only one rookie per pack. Oh, that's it. So let's go with this next one. I'll throw packs on the floor and I'll pick it up later. Okay. Whoa. Wow, that's a nice shiny car. Very nice. It was a rookie card. Let's put the foil over there. It's a rookie again. Oh, these are just basic. Yeah, like I said, I don't know much about hockey, so I'm just gonna. I only have this one pack here. I mean, one box here, so I'm just gonna open it up and see what we get. So pretty much these are the not rookie. Oh, we have another one. Another shiny. Let's put that over there. And then there's a rookie, and then these are just base cards. Wow. There's a lot. Oh, I ripped that thing up good. I really like it. My camera is so clean. I would not mind pulling an autograph on here. Gray. Rookie. And that's it. It's just base. I don't know why I'm shaking too. Okay. I have a question. Have you guys have a Whatnot account? Because I just signed up one and somehow I can't go live. Yeah, maybe because I don't have enough supporter or something. Try to go live and open packs and then let people come and check out my stuff, you know. But somehow I can't even go live yet. That's what I have, the stuff in the background right there. Oh, that was tough. I'm not gonna even try to rip that out. Let's go right to the good part. Nice shiny. Oh, these shiny cards are, look at that, just shiny away. No more rookie. Oh, there's a rookie. I must have skipped out down there. I'll have to check it out later. I know why I'm so shaky. After a good workout, that's what happens. Silver. Oh, the rookie's always in the back. Okay. Basic. I just got done doing bench press. And this is the reason why I'm so shaky. Oh, do we get nice shiny? Then the rookie. There's basic. It's gonna, big mountain's gonna fall over. Let me make it nice and neat. Wow, these cars smell nice, fresh from the box. Give me an autograph. Who's that? Shiny. Rookie. And just base. All right, I got 3 more packs to go. 2 packs, I mean. Jump all the way to the basics, and then we gotta go, and then our rookie. Whoa, he does not want to be in the pile. I think that's it. 1 rookie per pack, and the silver. I mean the silver one. I guess they're maybe 1 out of 3 packs. You get a silver. Ooh, I see something very nice. Ice View, shiny, rookie, and that's it. Basic. Last pack, Magic. Come on, Magic. Let's put this pack to the test. All right. Let's go all the way to this one. Let's check out what we're gonna get. Ooh, that's a nice shiny. It's like look at that shiny. Rookie and all base. Well, let me get these out of the way. I'm gonna leave the basketball for last. So let's put the scissors up here. Let's throw that down there. Pick it up later. Let's check out what we get in here. Should I use scissors? Why not? Let's see what we get in here. Ooh, these prison. If I'm saying it right, they're nice. I think these are, yeah, they're draft picks, so we don't know who's in here. They're all like college teams. Wow! Look at that. Pull me a shiny. That's a shiny. Is that a number card? Oh, there's another one back. Whoa.
Oh, come on.
Another shiny. An autograph and another shiny green. That's not a number. And I think that's it. Wow. Now that was a hot pack. Let's check out this card again. Let's put this shiny
card in here.
Let's put it in the top. Says it So let's open our draft bonus pack. I don't think there's any autograph in here. We'll just have to find out. Throw that away. Wow, look at that. That's a nice Shiny. Just like that other one over there. Just 3 cards. That's it. They look nice. Now let's open this. I know these are going, these packs here are pretty low right now. I bought these a while back for like, when it first came out was what, 21? Let's see what we get from these packs. These are not so palatable right now. One blaster of that, some people sell on eBay for like what, $17. Come on, man, that is low. I've never seen something that low before. I'm gonna cut every single one, and so that I don't have to worry about getting it later. If you guys want to follow me on my not Instagram, my whatnot account, it's called Randy lowercase and number 2 at the end. I'll be trying to open some packs, not for free. You just have to come check it out. All right, let's see what we get from these giraffe. Ooh, Magic Johnson. I know a couple of names. Oh, I didn't know that was a rookie. A rookie again. Anthony Harway. He plays with the Magics. All right. Well, back then, I mean, for the Magics. A rookie. And then, I don't know, Jaden Jackson Jr. These just some basic card. Rookie. Oh, that guy looks. Ooh, check that card out. Is that a number card? Let's find out. Nope. I'm gonna put in a penny sleeve just in case. We'll put it right over here with the slots. All right. Let's see, what do we gonna get? I thought that was charred broccoli. It's not. Jason Tatum. I got his rookie card. And who's that? Oh, rookie. All right, let's put another one. I got about 2 more packs to go. It's just basic. Go here. Rookie. Oh, John Stockton. You got a green. All right, 1 more pack to go, guys. 1 more pack to go. Packs to go, I mean. Excuse me. Ooh, Anthony Davis. Isaac Jackson. Who's that? Magic Johnson again. Ooh, nice. All right, last pack of Magic, guys. That baseball was not first last. It was a first pack Magic. A rookie. And who's that? Basic. And who's this? Jaden Green. Nice. Let's put the rookie there. Let's put these. Let's get some Donruss pack. 1 pack Magic, guys. 1 pack Magic. Let's see what will we get. 1 pack Magic. These Donruss packs. Oh, I thought it was LeBron James. It must be his brother. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This one won't jump off the cliff. It's not a rookie. It's a yellow one. Oh, well. We'll put this on the side. All right. Hoops. 21, 22 hoops. Let's see what we get. Zion jumping for the court. Ouch. Is that it? It's Blazer. Oh, that's it. That's it, guys. I didn't think I was going to get anything good, but instead I got some baseball. So I'm a big fan of Donruss because, you know, that's where it came from, baseball, known Ryan. So let's get Donruss first. Cut that out. Optic. Cut the very sharp top. All right. All right, let's see. We get Mr. Vic. Can't we say his name, his last name? Come on, Magic Pool. Give me that magic. Magic. I needed to get his car. It's not a rookie. Ooh. We gotta go slow. Wolf. Rookie? Who's that? I don't know him. Oh, that's it. All right, guys. Last pack. Optic. This is the very last pack. Oh, what's that? Is he good? It's purple. Nice shiny purple. And darn it, we didn't even get him. It was the team, but it was not the guy we're looking for. It was fun, guys. See you guys next time.